Hi, Patty Rose here. Welcome to the Website Success Planner. I'm super excited to have you here in this workshop, and I know that you are going to get some really amazing value out of it. So I'd like to start with this. When you're moving into this project and this planning phase for your website, I want you to keep one thing in mind. Keep in mind that your website, by my personal definition, is an energy. It's a living, breathing entity that is going to grow and evolve and become something new as the days go on. And that's because you yourself and your business and your creativity are going to grow and evolve day by day. And your website will be a reflection of that. So when you're going into this project, what I want you to think about is, what does it reflect for now? What will your website be for now? And try not to put yourself in this place of where your website's going to be 10 years from now, because the way design goes now, people are redoing their websites often. Very often. I do mine every couple of years. I just need something new and different, and I'm just always upgrading and updating, and you will be too. So just keep that in mind, that the days of static websites are completely over, and the idea of your digital presence and your web presence reflecting who you are today, and then again tomorrow who you are today, and again 3 months from now who you are today. There'll be little tweaks as you go that will bring it along with you. So this workshop has been something I've been teaching for a few years now. Basically, it came out of me realizing how much the trial and error held me back when I started. I started DIY on a shoestring budget a long time ago, and in the beginning it was trial and error, try, fail, try again, and that was frustrating. So one of the things that I know will make a difference for you in your progress and your success is plan and strategy. And that's what this workshop is about. I hope you take each and every step of it with an open mind and have some fun and plan away. And then at the end of it, you're going to have a nice, neat checklist that you can run down to actually build your website step by step without all the question and doubt. Okay, so if you're ready, go on to the next video and I will see you there.